Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2016 CLA 250 4MATIC. This one's a Sears White. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 208 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque. For wheels we've got 17-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. Black MB Tex interior. Rear spoiler, CLA 250, 4MATIC badging. Set all season floor mats. This one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, power windows. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, media display, rear view backup camera, black wood trim, hard keys for our media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, cup holders. This CLA has 50,277 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the CLA 250, check out feldmanimports.com.